Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope everything's going well, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to do a very simple eye look. So to start off, I apply a piece of tape in the other corner of my eyes just to guide the shape of my eyes, and next I'm going to apply my favorite eyeshadow base, but also you can use a concealer if you want. Today I'm using the eyeshadow base by P. Louise in the shade number 2 with a concealer brush. So I'm gonna apply all over the eyelid. This look is very simple to do, so everyone can recreate this look. And also you can use whatever you have at home. And to make this look wearable, I decided to go for neutral eyeshadows, so that's why I say you can use whatever you have at home. For today's video, I'm going to use the Naked Reloaded palette by Decay, and the palette has amazing colors. They are very pigmented and the metallic eyeshadows are stunning. So today I decided to use these colors because, as you can see here, everything is very wearable. So I'm going to start off using Bright all over the eyelid to set the eyeshadow base that I applied before, and I'm going to focus this color especially under the eyebrows, because I want to use this color to set and also to highlight a little bit. And now I'm going to use Endgame in the other corner of my eyes, and to apply this color I'm going to use a fluffy angled brush. Building up the color and adding the product a little at a time to avoid the fallouts, and also to create a smudge effect for the outer corners. Next, with a fluffy blending brush, I'm gonna apply the shade Bucket to smoke it out and to add some warmth in the smoky eyes. And now for the shimmery shades, I'm gonna apply Angel Fire in the inner corners, and I'm gonna apply with a concealer brush. And by side of this color, I'm gonna apply Barely Baked using the same brush. And to finish this eye look, I'm gonna use Endgame again with an angled brush to apply this shade just in the roots of the lashes, and also in the inner corners to create the foxy eye shape. So I finished this look with mascara and fake lashes, and this is how it looks. I really hope that you like it, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video if you did. And also comment down below what you think about this makeup look. I see you in the next videos. Mwah. Bye!